Mom, what are we cooking today?
A vegetable dinner with bright colors.
I see a carrot.
Yes, it is orange and hard.
Is this an onion?
Yes, it has a strong smell.
Why does the onion make my eyes water?
Because it releases strong juices.
There are tomatoes.
Ripe tomatoes are soft and juicy.
This pepper is green.
Yes, it looks fresh and shiny.
Why do we wash the vegetables?
To remove dirt and dust.
The carrot feels hard.
Yes, the skin is thick.
The pieces are small.
Small pieces cook faster.
The pan is getting warm.
Yes, we heat it slowly.
The oil is shiny.
Yes, it helps the vegetables cook.
I hear a sound.
That means the pan is ready.
The vegetables are going in.
Yes, slowly and carefully.
They are moving.
Yes, we stir gently.
The colors are changing.
That means they are cooking.
That is only a little salt.
Yes, too much is not good.
The smell is different now.
Yes, it is getting richer.
You stir very slowly.
Slow cooking is better.
They look softer.
Yes, they are almost ready.
Is it hot?
Yes, but it tastes good.
The smell is stronger now.
Yes, spices add flavor.
The colors look warmer.
That means they are cooking well.
I see steam.
The food is hot.
We have to wait.
Yes, good food needs time.
Is it almost ready?
Yes, very soon.
The stove is off.
Yes, the cooking is done.
The pan is hot.
Yes, we must be careful.
It looks colorful.
Many colors are healthy.
Are we going to eat?
Yes, it is time.
It tastes warm.
Yes, warm food feels good.
This one tastes sweet.
That is the carrot.
This one tastes strong.
That is the onion.
This one tastes fresh.
Yes, that is green pepper.
I like this dinner.
I am happy you do.
Thank you for dinner.
You're welcome, my dear.
Can I help?
Yes, thank you.
I like cooking together.
So do we.
This was a good day.
Yes, it was.
The light looks soft.
Evening is coming.
I learned many things today.
Yes, learning happens every day.
I liked cooking together.
Me too, it was special.
It feels calm.
Yes, very calm.
Today was nice.
Yes, it truly was.
It is getting dark.
Yes, night is coming.
The light is warmer.
Yes, it feels cozy.
What do we do now?
Let's play a small game.
Take a small bite.
It tastes sweet. Is it tomato?
No, try again.
It tastes sweet.
Think slowly.
Then carrot?
Yes, carrot.
What color is carrot?
Orange.
Orange vegetables help.
What are eyes?
Ready for another one?
Yes, I am ready. This tastes strong.
Think carefully. Onion is healthy.
But strong.
Last one.
It tastes fresh. Is it onion?
Yes, onion.
I guessed all of them.
You did amazing.
This game is fun.
Learning can be fun.
Thank you for watching.
Please subscribe.
And write a comment.
What should we cook next?